On this episode of Travel Dares, I'm taking Nico to Retro, where we're gonna make Georgia's largest khachapuri.
And I'm taking Caroline to Samran Spa, where we're gonna try a traditional hammam bubble treatment.
Come join us on our adventures on this episode of Travel Dares. This is Travel Dares, the show where we do daring activities all over Europe, empowered by my Marriott Bonvoy Boundless card.
In this episode, we're in Tbilisi, Georgia, and we're so excited to check out the cuisine and the culture. Ready for your clue, Caroline?
Yes, let's get started. Okay. Try not to float away.
Think about it.
I'm thinking, I don't know. Swimming?
Possibly.
I feel like we're going on a lazy river ride or something.
Lazy river ride. Traditional hammam spas are iconic to this region, and they include a section where you are covered in bubbles. Caroline and I have tried beauty treatments from all over the world, so I know she's gonna love this one. Reach this hand down, down, and scoop. Are you scooping? Take off your blindfold.
Okay.
Because today we're doing a traditional hammam bubble treatment. Yes! Oh my God! This is the dare we've been waiting for. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it is instantly so much more.
It feels so warm in here.
I feel like a queen walking into her weekly bath.
We'll just lay down, I guess. Oh, this is so luxurious. I'm not used to it.
Hammam is an ancient ritual. Ottomans brought their own bathing tradition to Constantinople in 15th century. Hammam meaning is the spreader of warmth. It's a rejuvenating procedure, leaving you feeling refreshed inside and out.
So we don't even go to the bubble bath. The bubbles come to us.
What's happening?
Oh my gosh, I love these bubbles. There's so much bubbles.
Making bubble snow angels.
Wow. I'm drowning in these bubbles.
Hammam positively affects on different body functions, physical and emotional detox, cleans skin pores of impurities and slots the dead skin, pain relief, muscle relaxation, reliefs and stresses, boosts the immune system and giving you unforgettable feeling.
My skin feels silky smooth.
Every time I rub in the bubbles, it just feels softer and softer. I definitely think out of all the spas I've ever been to, this one is my favorite. Nico, I have a little surprise for you. No. What the heck? Where were you keeping this? I was just getting relaxed. Oh, it's soggy. This boat won't float. Alright, so I'll blindfold you once we get these bubbles off. I don't know any non-floating boats. Every boat that I've met floats.
Khachapuri is an iconic Georgian dish consisting of egg, cheese, and bread. Retro is known to make one of the largest khachapuri in the world, and Chef Gia is going to teach us how to make it.
And now stop here.
Oh, okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
All right. Smell what this is.
I don't know, it smells like a pastry?
Okay, like a cheesy pastry?
Yes, so take your blindfold off, because today we're learning how to make khachapuri, aka a Georgian cheeseboat.
This boat won't float.
Yes.
It makes sense now.
Kia. Hello.
Hello.
So today I will be your translator, so let's start making khachapuri.
Yay! Nico, I do have a surprise for you. We're not just making khachapuri, we're making an over 5 foot long khachapuri.
Oh my God. That's why there's so much dough.
Nico, are you ready to do this?
Yes, I'm so psyched.
ალბათ ვიცით რა მე ვაწყობ 7 წლიდან პატარაობიდან ხაჭაპურს უკვე 45 წელიწადია რაც ვაწყობ ხაჭაპურს ყველაფერი მნიშვნელოვანია ხელების მოძრაობაც ყველაზე მნიშვნელოვანი ინგრედიენტი არის ხაჭაპურში ყველი რა თქმა უნდა Georgian mozzarella.
Oh, Georgian mozzarella. It looks so good. Nico, all your eggs are running. 2 of my eggs ran. It has to be perfect.
ნიშნულოვანი ის არის, არა ფაიამდა მიაკლა ხაჭაპურს. ყოლის ბლომოთ უნდა ჩადო, კარაკის ბლომოთ უნდა ჩადო და გულის კლიენტ უნდა ჩადო შედო გამოვიდეს გემრიელს.
Oh my god.
Super.
Yes. Super. We just made the Titanic.
და რაც თავად გულის ფაქედან უნდა მომდეს ყველაფერი. უნდა ისე მომნოს და მიირთვას ყველას გემრიელი ხაჭაპური.
We made that. Got it. Got it. I'm coming in. Got it. Coming in. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Yes. Yay.
So girls, next step is to mixing everything together.
Oh, the butter.
It all smells
Butter
really
smells
good.
so good.
Caroline,
Yes.
please.
Oh, you're okay. All right. 2, 3. Oh my god. Is it good?
Nico, now it's your turn.
Okay.
How is it?
Oh my god, that is so good! It's so creamy and delicious and rich because of all that cheese. It's so good. Now we know why they call you the best in Georgia, okay? We did it! We did it! Madlova Shafia, thank you so much! Bye!
Caroline, that was so delicious.
No, Diti Madlova! Out of all of the places we've traveled to, Georgia is so unique.
I know, I love staying in Tbilisi. It has such a rich history. Like, this hotel was constructed in 1910, and it's the first European standard hotel in Tbilisi.
Caroline, let's talk bubbles.
Bubbles!
I think you did a really good job of staying really positive and relaxed throughout the whole process. Even when your skin was being scrubbed, you did a really good job. So I'll give you 5 stars.
Yes, I loved it. I had such an amazing time, and my skin feels so good.
So soft.
So making that giant khachapuri requires a lot of skill and a lot of speed, and I'm so glad we didn't drop it when we were taking it out of the oven. But we were a little slow during the preparation process, especially the eggs. That was a little frantic. So for that, I'm giving you a 4.5 out of 5.
4.5? I guess that's fair. That's fair.
Yeah, it was still so delicious.
Yeah.
Georgia was amazing,
Yeah.
but now we're about to meet AJ in Switzerland, and I'm super excited for that.
AJ, we're coming for you.
We're coming, AJ!
Cheers. Cheers.